Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to show you another E-Day look. It is very dramatic. For those of you who love dramatic makeup, this is for you. It is perfect for E-Day and you can wear it with almost any dress. I'm going to be using the Warrior palette and the Berry palette by Juvia's Place, and these are the only two palettes that I'm going to be using to create this look. It's very simple, it's much easier than it looks, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Starting off, I'm going to be using the Warrior palette. I'm going to be using this very fluffy brush right here. I'm going to apply the color Kano onto my crease. Apply it on the crease and blend it out. Now, using the Berries palette, I'm going to be using a much thinner blending brush like this. I'm going to apply this shade right here. I'm going to transition the two colors together, so blending them out, I'm going to create our transition color. Using the same palette and brush, I'm going to go ahead with this first shade right here. Again, I'm going to apply that on the same area and blend it out. At this point, you guys, I'm going to apply a tape to my eye, like that. Now, using a detailing brush, I'm going to go ahead with this color right here and apply that to my lower line. Apply this like eyeliner somewhat. Using the same blending brush, I'm going in with the color Mino. And I'm going to apply that on the outer side of my eye and blend it out. Just as a reminder, you guys, you don't want to grab too much of this product because it is a very dark product and it will be very hard for it to blend out with other colors such as berry-like colors. Apply a concealer, you guys. I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and of course I'm using a concealer brush. Right now I'm going to create a half cut crease. You don't want to go all the way through your eyelid, but you want to go halfway, maybe a quarter, just to kind of have that base for the next eyeshadow. Using my shading brush, I'm going to go in with the color Daomi right here. Fill in that concealer space with that. Going back to the Berries palette, I'm going to go ahead and apply this shade right here with the same brush. Now we're going to fill in basically what we have left. Fill in the outer part. Using a flat and fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. It's called Idia. Apply that to the center of your eye. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to apply this color AOC. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that onto the brow bone very slightly. And then taking Amina right here, you want to kind of slightly apply it a little bit in the center of your brow bone. Now you guys can remove your tape. Now I'm taking the matte setting powder with a powder brush and I'm going to dust off the fallout and everything, all that excess, to make it look more flawless. Basically cleaning everything up. On top of that, I'm applying a blotting powder with a powder brush. Basically kind of mattifying and cleaning up what we have. Cleaning up all the flaws, a little bit on the forehead and the rest of your face. Apply an eyeliner. Apply some mascara. And don't forget your bottom lashes. Apply a brow gel. Apply some lip liner and a lipstick. Apply some false eyelashes. Now apply a highlighter and blush. I'm using the Too Faced Mini Apricot in the Act. I'm going to go in with highlighter first. And just apply that to your cheekbone. I like to go in my nose area just a little bit and my upper lip. Now going in with the blush, I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. Guys, this is the final look. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please do give it a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend that may need some Eid inspiration. And until my next video, everyone, of course you guys should stay safe and most importantly, take care of yourself. Goodbye.